Hello students, this is the second video of lesson number 7, that is symmetry. Now in this we are going to see drawing symmetrical figures on graph paper. Okay, in the last video or in the last point we have seen how to draw the symmetrical figures on the plain paper or on the notebook page. Okay, or some activities we have done with the help of thread. Okay, by drawing letters, by drawing some different pictures, and then in that we have tried the reflectional symmetry or to drawing the axis of symmetry. Okay, now we are going to try it on the graph paper. Why graph paper? Because on graph paper actually we see the measurement, okay, in centimeters and millimeters. Okay, here diagram is shown to the right side. Observe the figure on the graph paper. The line segment AB, see the line segment dark, okay, not dotted, because dotted is the reflectional symmetry, is drawn on the left of the line L. The points A dash B dash are as far on the right of L as A and B are on its left. The points A dash B dash are the images of points A and B. The figure segment A dash B dash is the image of the segment AB. Verify by measuring the lengths of segment AB and segment A dash B dash. Okay, exactly what we have to observe in this. Now here the line L is the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry, right? Now from here to the left side, segment AB is drawn. Okay. Now means here point A is taken, point B is taken. Those 2 points are joined with a segment. Now its reflectional symmetry is seen to the right side. Okay. Now we will measure the distance, how much it is. Now if you see with this pointer, if you measure the distance, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, total how many millimeter it is? It is 9 millimeter. Okay, from the distance between the point A and the axis of symmetry is how much? 9 millimeter. Okay, now we will measure it to the right side. So till this line 5 millimeter, then 6, 7, 8, 9, exactly 9 millimeter to the right side. That also in the same line. In the same line it is. Okay. Now coming to point B. Okay, point B पर आते हैं. Point B से तो ये line L का distance कितना है? Okay, suppose if you start measuring till here 1 centimeter. Right? Means 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, okay, and 18 millimeter. Exactly you see in the same line, you will see the dot B dash. Okay, why B dash is given? Because B dash is the image of the B. So, इसलिए उसको नाम दिया है B dash. Exactly you will find the same distance to the right side. Okay, and then those 2 points are joined with the dotted line. Means it is the image. So from this we can understand how to draw the symmetrical figures with the help of graph paper. Okay, actual उतना ही distance होना चाहिए, उसी line में होना चाहिए. Okay, now coming to the next figure. See here now, point Q. Okay, point Q और ये axis of symmetry कितना distance है? 5 millimeter. Okay, उसी 5 millimeter distance to the right side यहाँ पर point Q dash लिया है. Okay, first fix up the point. पहले P Q R point fix करने हैं. Then point P कितना distance है? Measure करो. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, complete 2 centimeter distance. तो 2 centimeter distance to the right side point P है. Okay, then R exactly 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 millimeter पर यानी 2.5 centimeter पर point R है. उसी लाइन में देखो वो लाइन गलत नहीं हो रही है, उसी लाइन पर 25 मिलीमीटर टू द राइट साइड पॉइंट आर डैश. Okay, so now point P dash, Q dash and R dash, they are fixed, and then those 3 points are joined. Okay, and in this way we get the reflectional symmetry of the figure. Okay, or we can say symmetrical figure. Now here you see the third figure. Okay, एक डिजाइन दिया है, तो डिजाइन देखो, पहले पॉइंट फिक्स करते हैं, ये पॉइंट फिक्स करो. ओके, कितने से मिलीमीटर दूर है, उतने मिलीमीटर से. ओके, वो कर्व कैसे कितने मिलीमीटर पर जा रहा है, उसी उतने मिलीमीटर पर ये कर्व गया है. राइट, उतने मिलीमीटर. ओके, कौन सा भी पॉइंट फिक्स करो, सब ये पॉइंट फिक्स करो, कितने मिलीमीटर दूर है यहां से, 5, 10, 11, 12. ओके, 12 मिलीमीटर. ओके, तो यहां से राइट साइड को काउंट करते हैं, 5, 10, 11, 12, बराबर 12 मीटर. कौन सा भी पॉइंट और उसका अपोजिट जो है दिखाया वो रिफ्लेक्शन में, वो पॉइंट का में काउंट करो कितने मिलीमीटर है एग्जैक्ट, you will get the same distance. This is the way to draw the reflectional symmetry. In the figures above, the line here divides the figure into 2 parts. Do these 2 parts fall exactly on each other and verify. Okay, तो हमने verify किया है, वो बराबर हो रहे हैं. Okay, now come to practice set number 21. We will solve the examples one by one. What is the question? Along each figure shown below, a line L has been drawn. Okay, अगर ये नीचे अगर figure देखते हैं तो line L is drawn. Right? Then what we have to do? Complete the symmetrical figures by drawing a figure on the other side such that the line L becomes the line of symmetry. Okay? ये हमें figure complete करनी है. ऐसी figure complete करनी है कि line L जो है वो line of symmetry होनी चाहिए. Right? So we will complete it one by one. Now here you can see this figure. This figure I have completed. Okay. Here you can measure the distance in millimeter. This distance you can measure in millimeters. This distance you measure in millimeter. What I did, I first fixed the wherever the line take turns. Okay, I fixed those points. These points I fixed. Okay. ये यहाँ से कितना distance है, उतना ही distance नीचे लिया है. Okay. In this way, we have to complete the remaining 2 figures. Now here you can see this second figure also I have completed. See this. Now this distance if you measure, this distance is 11 millimeter. The same distance 11 millimeter is taken to the right. Okay. यहाँ से ये लाइन निकल रही है, कितने 3 मिलीमीटर डिस्टेंस है, यहाँ से 3 मिलीमीटर डिस्टेंस रख. ओके, ये लाइन जितनी यहाँ पर जा रही है उतनी वो इधर जा रही है. ओके, यहाँ पर 3 मिलीमीटर डिस्टेंस है, यहाँ 3 मिलीमीटर डिस्टेंस का गैप रखा है. मीन्स एक्चुअली यू हैव टू मेजर द डिस्टेंस इन मिलीमीटर्स. Now this figure, if you see the third figure, okay, now here whatever rules we have applied here, those rules will not work here. Why it will not work? Because here यहाँ पर जो axis of symmetry है ये पूरी horizontal है, यहाँ पर axis of symmetry it is clearly vertical. Okay, इसलिए measure करना simple है, लेकिन यहाँ पर it is neither vertical nor horizontal. Okay, it is given slanting. Okay, इसलिए इसका मेजरमेंट थोड़ा सा करते वक्त जरा अलग आएगा. Now see here the third figures. Symmetrical figure will be seen this way. Okay, यहाँ पर देखो, अब ये थोड़ी सी लाइन स्लांटिंग की है, उसकी वजह से ये पूरे एंगल चेंज हो रहे हैं. ओके, इस लाइन के डायरेक्शन में ही होगा. ओके, उसी डायरेक्शन में होगा. ये जितना डिस्टेंस है यहां से, ये जितना डिस्टेंस है इतना ये डिस्टेंस होगा ये लाइन से. ये देखो इन दोनों का जो डिस्टेंस है इन दोनों का, ओके, उसी एंगल में होगा. आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. Here our practice set 21 solving is over and this lesson also gets over here. Okay, I hope you will practice more and more examples and make this point very perfect. Okay.